Assalamu alaikum viewers. Again, Shoaib Madaga is here for conducting another experiment of the electrical machines lab. And I am very thankful to all of you who are subscribing my channel, sharing my channel, even like my first video of that transformer experiment. And those who are the new one on the YouTube, who are watching my videos, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for more interesting video related to this content. Thank you. So now, today our experiment is the open circuit test of the transformer. Previous, we have done the transformer operation and the working principle. Again, I am going to recall the concept of transformer again. The transformer is an electrical machine which is used to raise or lower the amount of the voltage at the constant power and constant frequency. It has the two windings, the primary winding and the secondary winding. The primary winding is connected with the AC source and secondary winding is connected with the load. The transformer is work on the Faraday's law of magnetic induction. Whenever a flux is linking with the coil, it changes and EMF is induced in the coil. The flux is linking with the coil with the primary and it will be changed in that area. Obviously, that induced EMF will be produced in the secondary coil. So this was the little bit intro about that transformer which we have done in our previous experiment. Now we are moving towards the open circuit test of transformer. What is the open circuit test of transformer? This type of the test is used to measure the core losses or iron losses in the transformer. Core losses or iron losses. Now, what are the iron losses? The iron losses are the sum of the magnetic hysteresis losses and the eddy current losses. Eddy currents are the circulating currents which are flowing in the core, and both losses produces the sufficient amount of the heat in the electrical machines. If these losses are greater or higher, then what happens? The efficiency of any electrical machines is reduced. So now we have to conduct this experiment again on the trainer, open circuit test of transformer. So first of all, again we have the same procedure we have adopted in our previous video, that we have to follow the circuit diagram, and that circuit diagram is going to be implemented in this trainer. Again, this will be the trainer. This is the main power supply. This is the adjustable power supply, single phase, from which we can increase or decrease the amount of the voltage. Okay. Now we are here in this experiment using the wattmeter, wattmeter, which is used to measure the watt consumption, power consumption of the transformer. Okay. Now, if you can see the diagram again, so this diagram of the experiment shows the low voltage winding of in the open circuit test of transformer. The low voltage winding of the transformer is connected with the AC supply, and the high voltage winding of the transformer is kept open circuited. Okay. Now the wattmeter is usually used to measure the your iron losses or the core losses and the power which is to be drawn by the primary side of the supply. So this is the wattmeter consists of the current coil and the potential coil, and normally that is called the pressure coil. So the points are to be shorted, and that the potential coil is connected in parallel and current coil is connected in series. And this ammeter used to measure the no load current. And this is the primary winding and this is the secondary winding. Primary winding is the low voltage winding and the secondary winding is the high voltage winding, which is kept open circuit. This type of the test is used to find out the iron losses or core losses in the transformer. Now conducting this experiment again. So what we have to do, again we are taking some leads and wires from this strainer. Okay. So again, this is the 127 volt high voltage winding and 50 volt low voltage winding, and this voltage this 50 volt winding is going to be connected with the AC supply, and 127 voltage winding is open circuited. Now we have to connect this wattmeter, single phase wattmeter, with this primary winding, a low voltage winding. Okay. Now these points, you can see the star points are going to be the short here, okay, and then we are going to give the supply to this wattmeter from the main supply. Okay, this is the AC supply, and the second point of the wattmeter is going to be connected with this transformer main supply. Okay, and this point of the transformer wattmeter will be connected to the neutral of the supply, or like this one, and this point is again going to be connected with the neutral of the supply. Now this is the portion of the low voltage winding which is called as the primary winding over here, and 127 voltage winding is going to be open circuited. In open circuited means just we have to connect only the voltmeter in parallel across the high voltage winding, and we can see here the E2 is equal to the V2. Now again we have done same thing. This is the 50 voltage winding. Obviously we have to rise our voltage up to that 50 volt. Okay, so this will give us the, if the voltage is more, obviously the core losses will be more. Okay, iron losses will be more, means magnet, and current will be negligible. Why? Because the secondary side or the high voltage winding is kept open circuited. There is no load, there is no any current will be flowing from the winding, but the I naught, small amount of the current is usually flowing from the windings of the transformer. That is only purpose of this current is used to magnetize the core of the transformer, to produce the magnetism in the transformer. Okay, now we are going to increase the voltage, okay, up to the 50 volt. You can see this is a 49 and little bit. Now 50 voltage over here, the wattage we are obtaining from this 2.7 watt, okay, and power factor of this transformer is now 0.54 or 56. Current is very small one. If you are given the full amount of the voltage, the current is, we are getting the 0.313 ampere. So this is the voltage of the secondary side we are obtaining. Obviously this is the high voltage winding portion, and we are getting the 90 volts, means this will be like working as a step-up transformer, means we are giving the low voltage winding, energize the low voltage winding, and we are obtaining the 90 volt from the secondary side. And that this was the experiment of the open circuit test of transformer, and that we have done on this YL195 trainer. And to what was the purpose of that experiment? To measure the iron losses or core losses of the transformer. So that was the experiment. I hope you have enjoyed my lecture, enjoyed my experiment. And for more videos related to this content, related to the electrical engineering, please subscribe my channel Shoaib Ahmed Dayo, and press the bell icon button. That gives me the more motivation to make more videos related to this content. Thank you very much.